Hey, it's Captain Jim. Welcome to the DIY Corner. What we're going to be doing today is attaching this shelf unit to the wall at the top so that it won't tip over. This is a safety measure more than anything, especially if you have small children or even adults who like to climb and stuff. This will keep them from pulling the shelf over on top of them. So we're going to be using a variety of simple tools here today. This is a stud finder. Here's the bracket that we're going to use to actually connect the shelf to the wall. This, hopefully we won't have to use, but that is a wall anchor that goes into drywall, and then some assorted hardware. I've got my trusty drill / driver there, a pencil for marking everything, and these simple bits and drill bits and that kind of thing. So we're going to attach this to the wall, and I'm going to try to set this up here so you can see what's going on, and my assistant Kelsey is going to help make sure we get everything on video. So first, let's see if we can find a stud in the area that we're trying to attach this thing, which would be right around here. So we're going to put the stud finder on it and see if it finds anything. That's not too good. So not really a stud where we need it. And that's okay because we're going to use this thing. Can you see that? Yeah, that's a wall anchor, and I'm going to show you how to make that work. First thing we'll do is we'll put our wall anchor bracket on the wall where we want to attach it, and we're just going to make a mark so we'll know where to put this plastic drywall anchor. There we go. All right, here's the ugly part. Don't watch if you're squeamish. Put that in there. I'm gonna make a hole for that. Get my drill bit out of there. That should be enough to start our wall anchor. So to start this, put the pointy end obviously in the wall and push it in there about as far as you can. I use the butt end of my driver to tap it, and then we're just gonna drive it in until it gets flush with the edit, if you will. But we're ready to go now and get this thing in the wall. You just give it a little juice there until it's basically flush, okay? So now we're able to connect this to the wall, which we're going to do with the screw. Can you see that? That's going to go right into this wall anchor. These things on the package claim that they'll hold 65, 75 pounds. I don't know if I'd give them that much credit, but this is going to be plenty to anchor our shelf. So then we'll put a screw into the shelf and we'll be set. Oops, be careful. This is a self-tapping screw, so you don't have to drill a hole. And there you go. We're now nicely attached to the wall. You don't have to worry about the shelving unit coming down or falling over. And there you go. That's it. That's all there is to it. Make sure your shelves are properly attached and not a danger to yourself or others, because they can sometimes get front heavy and that'll cause them to fall over on their own. There you go. It's Captain Jim's DIY Corner. Thanks for watching.